The Twins facing the Royals. Jackie Robinson Day in the majors, including at Target Field. Bottom of the first, bases loaded for Brian Dozier facing Edinson Volquez. Lorenzo Cain on his horse makes the nice running catch, but Danny Santana tags and scores from third, 1-0 Twins. Top four, same score, 2 on, 2 out. Alex Gordon comes through with a base hit off Kyle Gibson. In the score comes Mike Moustakas, game tied at 1. Bottom half of the inning, Oswaldo Arcia at the plate with a man on and 2 outs, and Arcia gets a hold of one to deep right center field. It leaves town his first of the year, and Minnesota takes a 3-1 lead over Kansas City. Top 7, Brian Dunsing on in relief of Kyle Gibson. Runners at the corners and 2 outs, but Dunsing bears down and gets Moustakas to pop out in foul territory. The Twins hand the Royals their first loss of the season and snap a 3-game losing streak of their own. They take it 3-1. Minnesota looks to take 2 out of 3 from the reigning AL champs on Thursday afternoon. Tommy Malone opposed by Jason Vargas.